Choo-choo! Chicka, 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 chicka. Are you in your choo-choo, Ethan? Is your choo-choo going backwards? Yeah. Did you have a good time in your choo-choo? Yeah? Oh, you like your box. See, look, you can fit in this box right now. Wait for another year and you won't be able to fit in that box. Maybe another half a year. Oh, there's Abby. She wants a box. Hey, I like that box. I want that box, Ethan. Yeah? You like to play in your box? Yeah. Pretty great toy, isn't it? Hey, Daddy, can you chug me again? Can I be a choo-choo?
21 years ago, the valley spring began to take shape as the birds across the ridge became part of the sea.
Okay. Almost time for bedtime for the baby boy. No more choo-choo.